Preaching at school? Not even Jesus can save your job. You're an English teacher at a high school in China and a big believer in God. You've got a solid rapport with our students, almost like you're their cool friend. One day during class, you casually start chatting about Christianity, mentioning how awesome God is, and maybe drop a line or two on how Jesus has redeemed your soul. No big deal, right? Just saving these kids from going to hell. Well, the next day, you're called into the principal's office for a little coffee chat. The principal tells you your teaching style doesn't follow the guidelines and hands you a warning letter. Not only that, but they also ask you to write a promise letter saying that you will never do this again and sign you up for some legal training. You'll need to pass that before you can get reinstated. You're sitting there totally confused. Jesus is the man. How can talking about him be a problem? Well, here's the thing. According to Article 36 of the Constitution, no one may use religion to disrupt public order, harm citizens' health, or interfere with the state's education system. Religious organizations and activities are subject to foreign influence. And Article 8 of the Education Law states, education must serve the public interest of the state and society. The state practices separation of education and religion. No organization or individual may use religion to interfere with the national education system. Now, as a foreign teacher in China, you're allowed to practice your religion privately, go to registered religious activities, and all that. But when it comes to the classroom, you've got to follow the rules laid out in the Constitution and education law. If you don't, you will face suspension and get your contract terminated. And if you're promoting something like, say, a cult, you might even score a 3 to 7 year, all expenses paid stay in a state-run facility. So what's the moral of the story? Keep the sermons for Sunday and stick to the curriculum during the week. Need a lawyer? Call Edgar.